Welcome to chapter, Misuse of the Gerund. So, what is a gerund? It's just a verb with ing that works like a noun. For example, running, reading, and eating are all gerunds. Now here's the tricky part, some verbs must have a preposition before the gerund. Look at this wrong sentence, he insisted me going there. That sounds strange, doesn't it? The correct way is, he insisted on my going there. We use on after the verb insist, and then the gerund going. So remember, the structure is insist on doing something, not insist doing or insist someone doing. The preposition makes the sentence correct and clear. Let's look at some more examples to make this idea clearer. First, she prevented me speaking. That's incorrect because the verb prevent needs from. So the correct sentence is, she prevented me from speaking. Next, they accused him stealing. Something's missing. The correct version is, they accused him of stealing. We need the preposition of after accused. One more, he is good playing cricket. That sounds a little odd. The better way is, he is good at playing cricket. The adjective good is usually followed by at before a gerund. So the big rule is, learn which verbs or adjectives take which prepositions before gerunds. That will help you speak and write correctly. Time to recap what we've learned. Always check if a verb or adjective needs a preposition before a gerund. Some common examples are interested in doing something, fond of reading, and succeed in finishing. Now, let's try fixing a few sentences. Here's the first, I am interested learning music. What's missing? Yes, it should be, I am interested in learning music. Next, she is fond reading novels. We need a preposition again, it becomes, she is fond of reading novels. Last one, he succeeded passing the exam. We say, he succeeded in passing the exam. Keep practicing these. You'll soon remember which prepositions to use with which verbs. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.